The Immersive Reader allows you to hear posts or replies read aloud. It also includes some grammar and translation tools to help you understand the message. Hover over a post or reply and select the ellipsis. Choose Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader will launch in a full-screen experience. Select the play button to hear the message read aloud.
CCC Trainer at Monday, December 21st, 2020, 9:42 a.m. At meetings, based off the inputs from the team, I will have the meeting rescheduled to Wednesday at 2 p.m. Thanks for voting. Adam Smith at Wednesday, December 23rd, 2020, 9:56 a.m. Perfect, thank you. Chat soon, folks.
You can also highlight a specific word by clicking on it and choosing the Listen button to hear that single word spoken.
Perfect.
Use this icon to open the voice settings, which allows you to manage the speed the post is read at, as well as change between a male and female voice. You can also access text preferences, which allow you to manage how the text is displayed on the screen, as well as the page color. Select the grammar options, which allows you to toggle on the syllable feature. This will update the text to include the syllable breaks, helping to aid you in reading the words. You can also use these toggles to highlight the various parts of speech that make up this post. Use these drop-down menus to change the highlighted color for each part of speech that you'd like. Lastly, you can manage the reading preferences, which will allow you to turn on line focus. This will help you concentrate on a specific line of text. You can also toggle the picture dictionary on and off. This will allow you to view an associated image when you select a single word from the post. From the Reading Preferences pane, you can also access a translator. Use the drop-down to select the language that you'd like to translate the text of the post to. If you toggle on a single word, you can now select a single word from the text and see the translation.
Perfecto.
If you use the document toggle, the complete post will be translated for you. This does not impact or change the actual post in the channel of Microsoft Teams and provides the translation within the Immersive Reader only. You can use these tabs to switch between the original text of the post and the translated text of the post. When you're ready to exit the Immersive Reader, use this arrow. If you enjoy our content, we have new videos arriving every Wednesday, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.